This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download Commander 1, the awesome FTP solution for Mac users. So I'm right here on the Commander 1 website, so you can find it at commander-1.com. I will of course put that link in the video description, so you can just click that link and you can wind up on this page. You don't need to search or anything like that. So you can get it on the Mac App Store, so you can click right there on the Mac App Store, but you can also download it for free directly from the website. So at the top we have this blue download button, so you click there, and just like that, automatically, I'm on Chrome, so that will automatically save to the installer, I should say, will automatically save to the downloads folder location. And depending on the location, depending on what browser you actually have, you will just find the installer in your downloads folder and install from there. There's full instructions here. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Commander 1 useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.